mommy.
That's good. Let's start at the beginning. Ready? I see
I'm a mommy. I got someone.
Good job. Turn the page. Let's read the words. I see
Dog.
Dad.
Dad.
I see a bug. I see a
Cat.
dog.
Dog. It's a Pokeball.
I
I
see
am
a
cat.
cat. Very good. You are such a good reader.
I see.
I see me.
I see me.
There's Emma. The end. Give me 5. Good job.